Hey everyone, this video is going to show you how to do time card corrections from the mobile app. So this would be situations where maybe you forgot to clock in or out, or maybe forgot to clock in and out, or forgot to transfer your time to the correct code. So the first thing, of course, you need to do is download and install the mobile app. And once you have, you can click on it to open it. And if you haven't already, it will prompt you to sign in. In this case, I'm already signed in. Now you'll see here at the top of the home page, I can already see this red notification that I have a missing punch. So let me show you how to fix those first. It's very simple. You can click right on the one missing punch from this screen. It's going to take me over to my errors menu where if I had multiple punches missing, they would all be listed here. But right now I just have one, which is good. So to fix this, I'm just going to click on the clock in, and it's going to bring up my fill missing punch menu. So all I need to do here, it already has the date filled in for me, but for the time, I need to choose the time I arrived at work. Let's say that was 8 a.m. today. And then I also need to make sure that I am fixing my cost center code. So to do that, you just click on this little right arrow next to the cost center menu. That will bring up my cost center menu, and I don't need to worry about government or position, but I do want to make sure I choose the correct department. So I'm going to choose location 222 I worked at today. I'm going to choose that from the menu and click save. And I was doing direct care, so I need to click on my jobs menu and choose direct care from the list, and again say save. Confirm all this looks correct. Yep, I've got 222 Baker Street, 100 for direct care. That looks right, so I click on save. And then I can also leave a little note for my supervisor if I want, just explaining forgot to clock in, sorry. And then I'll just confirm everything looks right here. 8 a.m. location 222 and job code 100 for direct care. A little note to my supervisor, all looks good. I click submit request, and that'll get kicked over to my supervisor. Now let me show you how to do it if you don't have a missed punch, but maybe you forgot to clock in and out completely, so the system doesn't know you have a missing punch, or maybe you forgot to transfer your codes, like you were in direct care and went to a staff meeting, you forgot to change the code for your time. Really easy to fix. Again, let's go back to our home screen. So if this is where you were when you signed in, to submit a correction that's not listed, you click on this view activity link that's up here in your clocking section. It's going to bring you the activity menu. And to submit a request for correction, you just press this little plus button at the bottom right. And then you're going to choose the punch type. So let's say for this example, I forgot to change my code for a staff meeting, so I'll choose transfer and say save. The date was today, so I'm going to leave that be. For the time, I'm going to say the staff meeting was at 2 p.m. And then I need to choose my correct codes again. So to do that, you just click on the little arrow next to your cost center menu. Then I can choose my correct code. So again, I was working at department or location 222. And in this case, my job code should be 450 for our staff meeting. I'm going to say save. Review this to make sure it all looks correct. Baker Street staff meeting, that looks good. Say save. 2 p.m. on today, that looks correct. I can add a little note to my supervisor. Forgot to switch codes for staff meeting. And then I just submit it, and that will go to my supervisor. Also here on my activity screen, I can see all of my punches. I can see any punches that are waiting for my supervisor's approval. Those are the ones that say pending correction here. So you can see a lot of good info here right from the app. That's it.